So yeah, these are the heads that I'm probably gonna put on the truck. $7.99 heads, very similar to the 243 heads found in a C506 Corvette. I think the only difference on these is the valves. And my E-fans. So you can see all that little dirt here. Springs are dirty. That carbon buildup right there. Gotta change these spark plugs. $7.99.
Mira, güey. Aquí nomás donde.
Sí, a little bit of rust.
A little bit. I mean, it ain't not.
Está bien. Nice. Sí se ve medio.
It looks new, güey. It looks new.
Yeah, so it did have about the 70-something
like
thousand miles.
Probably even less.
Está bien. El LQ9.
The way it is now, all the way to 2018, 19, it's still the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not that dirty, though.
Got the bigger fuel pump. It's I believe the Walbro 450. Got the stall over there. There's a little stuff here and there that I'm trying to do on the truck. I'm just kind of taking my time a little bit because it is getting kind of expensive already.
That's how you know that when they're good. No se toran ni nada.
Pinche compression que tiene.
Let the fans off, fan shroud, those cables. brand new motor. There's an old motor right here, 5.3. It's filthy. Yeah. That's what 152,000 miles looks like. Brand new, huh?
Dirty, yeah.
Damn, está bien sucio adentro, mira. Can't tell. You don't have flush on real quick?
Todavía aguanta, pero
I'm gonna have to get it cleaned up. Yeah, you know what? I can mess with the settings here. It's dirty, real dirty. These heads are dirty, super dirty.
Ya toda la basura que tenía el
Maybe
pinche intake aquí por abajo. Cuando lo quité, se cayó.
toda la trash.
Pero más se le.
Pero eso se puede limpiar todavía, ¿no? Because I want to use this motor on my old school. Pero apenas una pinche limpiada otra vez todo. Yeah. Apenas llevarla al machine shop también esto, so they can clean them.
Yeah.
Or casi they don't really clean all that
They
shit.
do it, but they charge more. They charge 100 a head. So they clean the inside and through the inside.
Sí. Ah, como quiera sí jalaba bien el motor. It's just too dirty.
Este tenía a new knock sensor, güey. El 6 tenía un new knock sensor. So I put the two new knock sensors. And then the plug too is missing and shit. Exactly like the motor. Lo que hace el pinche degreaser.
Ya está bien limpio ya. Looks new now.
tapa.
Tap on the side? This one?
Generator también mamalón.
Got the electric fans installed. The 34-inch radiator. These are the headers I bought. Long tube. 1 7/8 inch. Second bolts.
Sounds good.
Yeah, it sounds good.
$20 half a tank, I'm gonna.
So I'm on my way. I'm on my way to pick up my truck. Finally, it's done. It's been what, a good 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks almost. I still need to connect the electric fans, so I can't drive it. I'm gonna go get it trailered right now. What else? Gotta do the exhaust on it and get it. I gotta get it tuned, and then I should be able to be driving it around. Let's go see how it come out. Ready to go home.